everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is thrift finds and flips. I'm gonna apologize up front. I woke up yesterday with both my eyes swelled shut. I'm having trouble with my one eye. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna make something that I've been told I could make with blindfolded. So, and only I'm gonna use something I found in the trash. Something my husband was gonna throw away. This is a hose. Actually, it's a hose that attaches to a hose reel, and the hose reel broke, and Thad was gonna throw away this hose. You can't do that. I got a plan for this. Please check out Shabby Meets Bling and Malika's Creations and the Amazing Playlist. Okay, let's start by making a bow for a wreath. This is the Easy Bow Maker. I like to use the side for small bows. I don't know why. I seem like I gravitate to use that side. And I'm not gonna make a real big bow. It's about 4 inches. And I'm choosing to do green for a pipe cleaner to hold it together because of the green hose. And just okay. Now we're gonna go and we're going to, these is Dollar Tree. They're supposed to be hydrangeas, but let's just say they need a little something. And so I'm gonna put 2 of them together and add a little tape. Because they need to be a little fuller. Okay, I'm gonna do that with 2 of them just to make them a little fuller. This is basically just like you do a corsage. I'm doing the tape because it holds your flowers together a little more. And with it being a hose, there's not as much things to hold your flowers. Yeah, we'll be using some hot glue, but this is just a piece of a fern. This here will, I'm going to add a piece of fern to this. If somebody slams the door and part of my wreath falls apart, I'd like to have it a bigger piece and not like one flower. So that's another reason I like to tape one. If it was a grapevine, it wouldn't worry so much because the grapevine pretty much holds it together. But we don't have that with this one. Okay, here is our we're going to insert this under here. And then add the hot glue. I'm going to add our bow. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to tuck this right here under this white, and I'm going to add our hot glue there too. And I don't want to completely cover up the end of our hose. And I can come up here and trim off some of this. And I'm going to trim this. I am going to add this one. Here is our upcycled garden hose into a garden wreath. It's going to be on my front door. I wanted something simple, something that the birds couldn't make a nest in. Would you upcycle an old garden hose into a wreath?